Are you tired of slow international transfers to India with high fees and hidden charges? Then, Remitly Instant Delivery. India is what you've been waiting for. Whether you're sending money from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, or Europe, Remitly now offers lightning-fast delivery to Indian bank accounts. In seconds, not hours. Let's uncover 6 unique facts about Remitly Instant Delivery India that you won't find anywhere else. Zero delivery lag on UPI transfers. Unlike many services, Remitly supports UPI-linked bank accounts in India. This means your loved ones receive money instantly via UPI, even during bank holidays. Intelligent Exchange Lock System. Remitly locks your FX rate at the time of transfer, but uniquely offers a 60-minute grace period to modify your amount with the same rate, a feature competitors like Xoom or Wise don't offer. Tier-based rewards. With every 5th transaction, users unlock bonus exchange rates or fee discounts via Remitly's loyalty rewards, not advertised publicly, but accessible to consistent users. 24/7 human chat support for India transfers. While most remittance apps use bots, Remitly offers round-the-clock human chat support specific to India transactions, available even on Indian Standard Time. Unlike Western Union or MoneyGram, Remitly allows instant delivery to India with as little as $1, great for micro-remittances. Unique to Remitly, all India-bound instant transfers go through AI-powered fraud filters, which reduce transaction failures and refund issues, especially important for first-time users. Compared to Xoom, Wise, and Western Union, Remitly has lower flat fees for bank transfers as low as $1.99, and no extra charges for UPI or instant delivery, unlike Wise that charges based on percentage and Xoom with extra markups on FX rates. Trusted websites for reference: www.remitly.com for foreign remittance policies to compare exchange rates. If you're sending money to India, Remitly gives speed, security, and savings all in one platform. End screen with a call to action to sign up for Remitly.